Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how to replace the power steering pump on this 98 Explorer 4.0. It should be the same procedure for the late 90s to early 2000s Ranger, Mercury Mountaineer, and Mazda B4000 with the 4.0. First thing you want to do is take off the air intake. So you got the clamps holding the air box on, 2 electrical connectors, 2 hoses, and this clamp. It'll come off. Now that we got that out of the way, I do recommend taking off the fan shroud. It was already off on this car, so I can't show you how to do that, but it's going to make it a whole lot easier to get down in here to this power steering pump right here. Now let's go ahead and suck all the fluid out of the reservoir here. I'm just going to use a turkey baster. It can really help you out there to not make a mess, because you're going to have to undo the hoses and it'll just run everywhere. Alright, I was able to get about 12 ounces out of there, and that's really going to help us out. We're going to change the fluid out anyway. You never want to put a new pump in without changing the fluid. But now we're ready to take off the 3 bolts holding on the pump pulley. So while the belt is still on, just loosen those up, which I've already done. Now we're going to come over here to the pulley tensioner, and with a 3/8 inch drive breaker bar, you're going to get into the slot in the tensioner down there and go counterclockwise with it. That'll take tension off the belt. See there? Look at that. Now we can take this belt off. Okay, here we go. Here's our pulley. This is why I'm replacing it. It has a lot of back and forth movement. It's making a lot of racket, and it ain't gonna last much longer. So remove these 3 bolts all the way and wiggle that pulley off. It'll be stuck on there even with the bolts out, but you wiggle it and it'll come off.